All right, and this is part 2 of lab 11.3.2.7 system utilities. Part 2 is registry editor. All right, so let's go ahead. We're going to start with step 1. We're going to make sure our desktop background settings are set to blue. Question is, what is a background picture? Currently there is none. As you can see, it's already blue, but we're just going to confirm it. Personalize, select the blue option, and set. Okay. Now we're going to actually open the registry editor. So in the search bar, we can hit reg edit. Typing out the command, so you can see the whole command, registry editor. Select yes. All right. Next thing is we're going to expand the control panel option and select colors. Okay. I'm going to click background. All right. The current data value of background is 0.99.177, as you can see right there. So 0.99.177. Now we're going to export a registry key. So we're going to go ahead and select colors, right click, export, and we're going to save this to desktop as well. We're going to name it blue BKG and save. Okay. And then we're also going to pull up the values of this as well. So right click, edit. All right. Current data value of background is going to be 0.99.177. Now we're going to go ahead and close this, and we're going to change our background as well. Again, this time we're going to change it to red. Once it's set to red, select that, and now we need to refresh our registry edit video. All right, it looks like the new value has updated to background. The new data value is going to be 232.1735. So 232.1735. Okay. And then we're going to compare this with the one that we had that set in this regedit file. So for the blue, background value is going to be 0.99.177. For red, background the value is going to be 232.1735. Close that. Okay, so now we're gonna import the blue bkg.regedit file. So we're gonna hit select file, import, and select that. Open. Okay. Now we're going to select registry, and we're going to select the window again, the registry editor. Background value still set at 0.99.177. Color on my background is still going to be red though, even though this is representative of the blue background. Okay. Now that we have it set, imported with the blue background data value, we're going to go ahead and just restart this computer. Okay. Waiting for the restart. We're going to go ahead and log in. And I do apologize about the delay. For some reason, my computer double types when using the NetLab. Perfect. And as you can see, now the value has, the desktop background has restored to our blue a blue background, which reflects the data value of 0, 9. Actually, let me double check that. So it should be reflecting background 099.177, and we can go ahead and confirm that with the reg edit. Colors background 099.177 with a blue background. Okay. So reflection questions. Why would it be beneficial to add snap-ins to the MMC that are for other computers on the network? Quick and easy guide, quick and easy way to access at least some basic device management tools, and the other tools that can be used to troubleshoot and reset settings on computers. So after restarting the computer, why was the desktop color changed? It changed because the regedit value was set to 099.177. When you start the computer, it's going to reload those data values, which sets a blue background. And that's going to conclude part 2 of the 11.3.2.7 lab system utilities. We're all set.